The reticular formation is one of the great coordinating systems in the brain. It involves nuclei in the brainstem, the medulla, the pons in mammals, the midbrain, and even a nucleus in the thalamus. And from these regions, ascending pathways sort sensory stimuli to determine on which stimuli to focus attention. These pathways control the arousal and attention levels of the cerebrum, and then the stages in which sleep and dreaming occur. The descending pathways control the movement of the head and body, both voluntary and involuntary, which can be both facilitated and inhibited. Respiration, blood pressure, heart rate, analgesic pain pathways, and then the autonomic control over the thoracolumbar sympathetic division of the ANS and the sacral parasympathetic division of the ANS. All of the reticular formation is involuntary. Among vertebrates, the jawless fish possess the most primitive reticular formation, and the giant mouth nerve cells of chordates are still present in the medulla. By the evolution of the jawed fishes, such as sharks, a number of the ancestral nuclei were subdivided. The RAF nucleus, which runs along the brainstem and secretes serotonin in pathways throughout the brain was evolved. And this is about the organization which would persist into the bony fishes and then even through reptiles. There are a number of points in evolutionary lineages in which the reticular formation increases complexity, such as the evolution of arms and legs in early tetrapods, and the evolution of birds leads to a more complex reticular formation than found in crocodilians. Another major advance in the complexity of the reticular formation occurred in the evolution of mammals. Unlike non-mammals, where the reticulospinal tracts and reticulobulbar tracts compose the majority of the descending tracts through the brainstem and spinal cord. In mammals, the cerebral cortex and its voluntary control began to make contributions as the corticospinal tract and corticobulbar tracts then communicated both with the spinal cord but also with nuclei in the reticular formation.